In this quick video, I'm going to show you how quickly we can go in and set up a new domain or new URL on the web, a new web space if you wish. First thing is that we have to secure a domain name. I like Namecheap. A lot of people like GoDaddy. I find GoDaddy is a little less friendly to work with. Here I'm going to try to register a domain, and in this case I'm going to create a domain for my granddaughter's charity art walk. Make sure we spell it right. You only get one chance. Shella Norman Art Walk, and we're going to search. And in a moment it'll come back and probably tell me that that is an available domain, and it's already ticked that one off. Actually, in this case, we're going to put this out in the public as shellanormanartwalk.info. But I'm also going to pick up the .com, and I could also get the .net and .orgs. .org is also another choice. But I'm going to pick this one up, and we'll issue a redirect immediately from anybody that goes to this domain by typing it in. Because .com is so common, it'll immediately redirect to this new domain. So I'm going to go down here, and the ones I've ticked I'm going to add to cart. So here's the .com, here's the .info, and let's assume she's going to do this for a while. I'll find out who she is later on. Get this one for 2 years. $4, it's a bargain. We're going to go to Express Checkout because I've done this before. I'm going to pay with my PayPal account. Log in. I'm going to continue. And in a moment it'll tell me all 4 items have been processed. Okay, it gives us an order summary, which we can download as a PDF. I'm going to save that file for future reference. And there is, we've bought our domain names. Now the next thing that we want to do is actually point these names that we've just bought to a space in the web. So we're going to go back up here to domains. We're going to manage domains. We're going to go down here, and we're going to take these 2 domains and edit the selected. Modify the name servers. I am going to use the custom name servers, and mine happen to be, I want to make sure that you don't make any spelling errors here. and this one will be NS2. Okay, and then we just save the changes. We want to change those on all the documents we wanted. Now, those names that are registered wherever these guys have registered them have now been pointed over to my other account. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in and create a new account. And I'm going to fill in the information here. Putting in the name, the password for this account. Use upper and lower case, numbers, letters, and email will be the gold plan. We'll create the accounts. It's creating the account. In a minute we'll go back and we'll do the same thing for the .info. And it gives us our information. And we're ready to go. So now the next thing to do, I'm going to pause this and do that again for the .info. I'm going to create a new account. In this case, the domain is going to be ShellaNormanArtWalk.info. Her own email address here. She will never see this. Package. Create. Now, if we've done everything right, when I go back up here and this one where we list accounts, we should be able to go to Shella B. Norman Artwalk Info. And we need to log out and log in as her. Clear that. Log in. Last to remember that password, I'm going to save it in the last pass. Now we're inside the newly created account. We're going to go down here and we're going to put something up on this new site. We're going to use a tool called Fantastico Deluxe, and we're going to put a WordPress instance on that page. We're going to create a new installation, and we're going to install it on the root domain of this currently selected account. We put it here, that'll go into a subdirectory, but we want it to appear when you just type this name in. And going to enter the required information. Going to blur this out so you don't have to look at all of these details. The first field is the administrator name, that's how you log in, the password. And the admin name is what will show on the website. And the site name is going to be something that people actually read. So we're going to edit this. humanly readable. Give it a description. We're going to click Install WordPress. It's going to give us a summary of what we're doing so we have a chance to make no mistakes. And put in an email here to send this to. I'm going to send this to myself at another account. Go back to the overview, and we can go visit the site. And there is a brand new, pristine, completely empty blog. So that's how quickly you can set up a site. This video's been running for 15 minutes and we've just set up one. I can go back and do the other one. The other one actually isn't going to get a blog, it's just simply going to get a redirect to this so that you can type either name and wind up in this spot. So that's a lesson in how to set up a new domain and put something on it. Now the next step is to redirect the .com to the .info. So I've just logged out of the .info where we just set up the blog. I've come back in here, logged into the .com website. Now we're going to look for here, scroll down, is something called redirects. So here, ShellaNormanArtWalk.com is going to redirect to ShellaNormanArtWalk.info. And if you make a mistake, it will let you know. So we're going to go back here, put the HTTP in. And that makes it happy. And we're going to add that redirect. Okay. So now if we open up a new browser window and we type in ShellaNormanArtWalk.com, we wind up on ShellaNormanArtWalk.info. So that's the end of part 2 of this.